Hello friends, this afternoon we're going to be multiplying to divide using place value and an area model. So if my division equation is going to be 544 divided by 4. I have 3 digits in my dividend, so I'm going to create 3 boxes out of my area model. We can also say that we're trying to multiply our divisor by hundreds, tens, and ones to get as close as we can to our dividend each time. So multiplying to divide. That means that in the hundreds box, I can multiply 4 times any hundred. So 100, 200, 300, all the way up to our last 100. Our tens, we can multiply 10 through 90. So 4 times a 10, and then 4 times a 1. Oops. There we go. So any 1 through 9. I'm going to start with this hundreds box. So 4 times what hundred gets me closest to 544? We know 4 times 100 is 400. If I did another 100, so 4 times 200, that would get me over. That would be 800. So my first box is pretty easy. 4 times 100 equals 400. So we multiplied by this 100, and now we are subtracting our findings to see what we have left to multiply and find. So the answer to this is 144. That's how much we have left. And we are going to now move to our tens place, to our second part of our area model. 4 times a 10 gets me closest to 144. With my background knowledge of multiplication, I know 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 3 is 12. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. I'm thinking these first 2 digits here. So I'm going to try 4 times 30. 4 times 3 gets me 12, and then I add that 0 to the end, so I find 120. So I'm going to subtract, see how much I have left to find, and I'm left with 24. This is starting to become familiar. This is a friendly number because 24 is actually a multiple of 4, and we are in our ones box now, so 4 times blank equals 24. And we know, based off our fact fluency, that 4 times 6 equals 24. And once I subtract my findings, I know I have no remainder. And my answer is going to be 136. And that is my quotient.